When was the last time you felt well? I mean really, really well. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you struggle with bloating or with skin irritation, or maybe sometimes you're a little bit more moody than you want to be? Do you have trouble losing weight no matter what you do? Do you always get a good night's sleep? Have you ever thought that it could actually be a gut-related issue that needs to be healed? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, and how Modere's new product, Axis Trebiotic, could help you with all those problems, because we are going to heal our gut. Now, let's talk about Axis Trebiotic. Now, emerging science has found that a new way to support optimal health, and it's called the new biology of wellness. It is linked to a part of your body that maybe you didn't even know existed, your microbiome. In fact, some scientists refer the microbiome as the master switch to wellness. But our microbiome is in constant instability. Everything from diet and exercise to the environment and the amount of sleep that you get is affecting it every day. So how do you maintain a healthy microbiome? With Modere Axis Trebiotic. It's a first of its kind product that Modere has been working on for 4 years. You've probably heard of probiotics before. They are used to support gut health. However, you might not know that probiotics need prebiotics, nutrients that promote the growth of good bacteria. Still, prebiotics and probiotics don't tell the whole story. New research shows that an important compound called postbiotics support most of the overall health benefit, and it can be found in the first of its kind prebiotic. There's nothing like this out there. Modere Axis Trebiotics contain all three key factors: pre, pro, and postbiotic in a 3-in-1 microbiome matrix that goes way beyond gut health. It helps maintain regularity, ease occasional bloating, alleviate occasional constipation. I immediately noticed the energy my very first week. I seem to be more focused, I get more work done in less time, and I have also lost a few pounds without changing anything else, so that was a real bonus. This is certainly something we will continue to take daily in our family. So let me share with you a little bit more about this amazing product and what it is and what it looks like. It's these little mini beadlets that looks just so mini like this. And because we have so much acid in our stomach, those little beadlets are made with a unique technology that our body can actually absorb. You take 1 tablespoon or 1 scoop every single day. People are having it on yogurt, on cereals, smoothies, on a salad, etc. You can also have it straight, just like this, from the scoop, and put it in your mouth, swallow, maybe drink a little water. It's perfect. Take Trebiotic for 30 days and see how you feel. You're going to have better energy, better moods. You might even be able to release some of that stubborn fat that you've been frustrated with. By healing our gut, we are healing ourselves from the inside out. And you will start noticing amazing things happening. Your skin starts to glow, and you just really start to have this overall amazing energy and well-being. That is what Axis Trebiotic does for you. Modere Axis Trebiotics is going to help you get that gut-brain connection that all the research are showing is interconnected, and it's going to help you function overall better. In fact, what they're finding is more serotonin, which is your happy hormones, are released in your stomach than it is in your brain. Isn't that interesting? So when we can heal our stomach, we are healing so many different ailments throughout our entire body. My name is Marie-France Garon. I'll see you on the next video.